How to fix ad glitch in Crunchyroll app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Crunchyroll app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, if you are facing an ad glitch in Crunchyroll while playing the video, first of all, you might want to refresh the page or the app. You can simply close the app and relaunch the app again. If it still exists, what you can do is tap and hold on the Crunchyroll app icon. And over here you can see the information icon, tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom, here you can see the storage option, tap on it. At the bottom right corner you can see the clear cache option, tap on it. And right beside that you can see the clear data option, tap on it. And select this delete option. This will clear all the cache and cookies for the Crunchyroll app. If you are using the Crunchyroll app through the browsers and you have the ad blockers installed in your device, you can try to disable your ad blocker and reload the page again. You can also try to restart your device. Sometimes, just restarting your device can resolve the ad glitches. You can also try to sign out of your Crunchyroll account and sign back in again. If you are using a VPN, try to disable the VPN and relaunch the app again. If Crunchyroll is not available in your region, you can try the VPN and change the region for yourself. If the ad glitches still exist, you might want to upgrade to the premium version of the Crunchyroll app. It will remove the ads entirely, so you can try out these various methods and see if it works for you. So that's how you can easily fix ad glitches in Crunchyroll app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.